Welcome back, everyone. I am the small engine mechanic, and today we will be working on a Honda self-propelled push mower with rear drive wheels that are locked up. The mower moves forward with no issues, but when pulled in reverse, the back wheels refuse to move. So, let's get started. As a reminder, anytime you are working under the mower, be sure to disconnect the spark plug. As with most push mowers, if you need to lift it on its side, lift it by the side with the carburetor. First, we need to inspect the belt to see if it has simply come off the driven pulley. Immediately, I noticed an issue with the belt on the pulley. The belt should be sitting inside the pulley, but this belt is not sitting all the way. Here is a better view of the pulley and belt. The belt is hitting the belt guide for some reason. So, let's see what's going on in there. To gain access, we need to remove the belt cover and transmission cover. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more small engine repair tips. Sometimes the retainer nuts will spin, and you will need to hold them with a pair of channel locks. There are two screws on the discharge side. One is a hex head screw, and the other is a torque screw. Now, the belt cover can be loosened enough so we can grab hold of the belt to rotate it and see why it's stuck. I pulled backward on the drive belt, and a rock fell out from between the belt and the pulley, releasing the belt and allowing the pulley to move freely. Now, you can see a gap between the belt and the belt guide compared to before. Now, we have free movement of the belt. Now, the wheels can move forward freely and have slight resistance while rolling backward. We can now reinstall all of the bolts that hold the transmission and belt cover in place. These blades will need to be replaced. They should never get this bad. Now, we can rotate the engine back to its wheels and test for movement. The wheels are finally rotating in reverse. Of course, I will test this with the engine running, but not in the shop. So until then,
it looks like another one is good to go.